on, truck.
In 2 miles, take exit 67 toward Dateland.
Mile and a half. 2 miles, I'm gonna sit behind this truck then. I ain't gonna mess it. There we go.
Looks like it's been wet.
What, the hay?
Yep.
Yeah, some of the bales are. I wonder if it's hay or is it straw? The way it's falling down looks like straw. Excuse me.
Half a mile, take exit 67 toward Dateland.
I'm gonna turn out that way. You ain't that lost. We just haven't taken that back road up. Okay, this is Dateland. We'll go a little bit to the right, and we'll turn around and go to the left. And we have to sit down a little bit. Wrong way?
No. They mean wrong way this way, going down the
Come on,
ramp.
listen that way. Okay, we got old gas station, Pizza Hut, Dateland Center, Bath Gifts, and all that good stuff. And you can charge your electric vehicles here. Oh, that's a lot of big parking in here. Oh, semis. You can park here. A little bit rough road, but dirt. It's better than nothing. Take a good rest here. Charge station there, green ones, whatever that is. There's charging stations. That's Telsa, or whatever the heck it is. You can charge that one. That's their company, I guess, for their vehicles. Chevron station. That must be Chevron or whoever, Green Energy, some kind of charge station. Let's see what kind that those are. Does it say any name?
There's electric hookups.
Power up. I guess for the other cars, not the ones for Telsa's on the other side. I got quite a few stations. And when they got 4 or 5 of them. And while you're waiting for your car to charge up, you come over here to the restaurant, have a few beers, have something to eat, get drunk, and then go out and get in a wreck.
Yeah, right. You don't even know if there's a beer, but they serve booze or not.
I don't know. Although every place has got booze in it. Well,
No.
yeah, because we got a lot of farmer workers out here. Don't see my stopping or parking. Fuel tax. There's a gas station. Food Mart. Pizza Hut. Okay, let's go in the other one. There's some out here coming in to get some gas, get something to eat, take a rest, use the restroom, buy something local. A lot of the small towns, you go to their restaurant, they got good food. Plus you get a lot more for the money that you pay. It's not really a big town, but it's probably one of these towns that kind of died out when put I-10 in.
You're not on I-10, you're on I-8.
I mean I-8.
That trailer's shot.
Fixer-upper.
Yeah, right.
Dateland School. City Hall. That's elementary. That's a school. And that's about it. And farming community. I thought it was bigger than that. Well, that just farms up there. I'm not going to go up that far. Old buildings. Well, that was Dateland. I thought it was bigger than this. Slow down.
Population in Dateland was 411.
Okay, what's where we going now? Frontage Road, San Diego.
Dateland is in Yuma County, and it's known for palm dates. Dateland began as a road stop in the 1920s. During World War II, Dateland was the site of two of General Patton's desert training camps, Camp Horn and Camp Hyder. In addition to 1942, 3 airstrips were built here in Dateland and training B-25 bombers, including the Dateland Air Force Auxiliary Field.
There's no access to the airfields the way we looked at.
The sugar ration in 1942 during World War II led to the increase in the date population in Arizona, leading to growing popularity for dates as a sweet alternative to candy and boosting the Arizona date industrial. After the closure of the airfields, the land was subdivided in 1970. The developers of one subdivision on the former airfield El Camino del Sol were convicted of fraud in 1977. That is the history of Dateland.
And there's land for sale. I just special sign said 40 acres. Buy while you can.